Why do 80% of fashionistas swear by winter pantyhose? Let's dive into the pros and cons of the top picks. All right, ladies, let's talk winter pantyhose. First up, you need to know about denier. It's a fancy term for fabric thickness. Aim for at least 40 denier to keep those legs nice and toasty. Now onto materials. We've got wool, cashmere and fleece. Wool is your go-to for warmth and durability. Perfect for those chilly morning commutes. Cashmere? Oh, it's the epitome of luxury. Soft, warm and oh so cozy. But let's not forget fleece. It's affordable, soft and does the job without breaking the bank. Each material has its perks. Wool is robust, cashmere is plush, and fleece is budget-friendly. But they all have one thing in common: keeping you warm without sacrificing style. So whether you're braving the cold or just want to add a touch of coziness to your outfit, there's a perfect pair of pantyhose waiting for you. Stay warm, stay stylish, and rock those winter looks. See you next time!